Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 20th, 2024, and we're diving into Copa Holdings' latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Copa Holdings, a leading Latin American airline, has just released its Q3 2024 financial results. There's a lot to unpack, from their operational performance to financial metrics, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Copa Holdings reported operating revenues of $854.7 million, a slight decrease from last year. Despite this, they achieved a net profit of $146 million. John, how did they manage to maintain profitability?
That's a great question. While operating revenues dipped by 1.5%, Copa Holdings maintained a strong operating margin of 20.3%. Their focus on cost management, particularly in reducing ex-fuel costs, played a crucial role. Additionally, their adjusted EPS of 3.50 cents slightly beat the forecast of 3.48 cents, which is a positive sign for investors.
It's interesting to see how they balance the revenue decline with cost efficiencies. What about their operating profit?
Operating profit was $173.7 million, down from $205 million in the previous year. The decrease is attributed to factors like the suspension of flights between Panama and Venezuela and weaker currencies in Latin America. However, their strategic cost management helped cushion the impact.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operations, Copa Holdings increased its capacity by 9.5% this quarter. However, the load factor decreased slightly to 86.2%. How does this affect their operational efficiency?
Despite the slight dip in load factor, Copa Holdings has been efficient in managing its capacity growth. The increase in available seat miles indicates their strategic expansion while maintaining a high load factor close to industry standards. Their cash reserves of $1.3 billion and a manageable debt level of $1.9 billion also provide a solid financial foundation for future growth.
What can we expect from Copa Holdings moving forward?
Looking ahead, Copa Holdings plans to grow its capacity by approximately 9% in 2024, with an expected operating margin between 21% and 22%. Their focus on maintaining low unit costs and leveraging their strong balance sheet will be key to sustaining their competitive edge in the Latin American market.
Management insights and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the management's perspective. What insights did the leadership provide in this report?
The management emphasized their commitment to maintaining low ex-fuel unit costs, which is central to achieving industry-leading margins. Operating expenses increased by 2.8% to $681 million, primarily due to capacity growth. However, they managed to reduce sales and distribution costs by 8% through higher direct sales and efficient distribution channels.
How do these strategic initiatives align with their long-term goals?
Copa Holdings is focused on reinforcing its network and cost competitiveness. By leveraging their geographic position and maintaining a strong balance sheet, they aim to enhance their intra-Latin America travel network. These initiatives are designed to strengthen their market position and drive long-term growth.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Copa Holdings has demonstrated resilience in a challenging environment, with a net profit of $146 million and an adjusted EPS that slightly beat expectations. John, what's your final take on their performance and investment prospects?
Copa Holdings has shown strong operational management and financial discipline. Their ability to maintain profitability and a robust balance sheet positions them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic initiatives and market conditions in Latin America, which will be crucial for their continued success.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Copa Holdings' performance in the comments below. Until next time.